Hey everyone! Welcome to We Learn Finnish. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to express how grateful we are to have you here on this language learning journey with us. Let's get started.
Pää. Pää. Matsa. Matsa. Hammas. Hammas. Polvi. Polvi. Rinta. Rinta. Selkä. Selkä. Nilkka. Nilkka. Korva. Korva. Mikä on hätänä? Mikä on hätänä? Pää on kipeä. Pää on kipeä. Vatsa on kipeä. Vatsa on kipeä. Hammas on kipeä. Hammas on kipeä. Onko sinulla muita sairauksia, vai allergiat? Onko sinulla muita sairauksia, vai allergiat? Minulla on astma. Minulla on astma. Minulla on diabetes. Minulla on diabetes. Minulla on allergia. Minulla on allergia. Minulla on sydänsairaus. Minulla on sydänsairaus.
Boost your language skills through interactive exercises, quizzes, and challenges designed for learners of all levels. We've created a fun game for you to practice today's language lesson. It's completely free and doesn't require you to register or log in. Find the link in the video description. We spend an enormous amount of time creating videos and puzzles to make your learning experience enjoyable and effective. Your support means the world to us. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription encourages us to keep creating valuable content for you. Thank you for being a part of our language learning community. Thank you for watching.